Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manal from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video, I'll react to a video by Rosie Gabrielle. Pakistan Changed My Life by Rosie Gabrielle. So आइए देखते हैं, let's start the video. 1, 2, 3. I'm so done.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Empty. I don't know how to make it better. My head just won't stop spinning. I just want a miracle. I just want a miracle. This is beautiful. How to make it stop.
A few years later.
Finding my way back home. All the years seem so long, like steering in the dark. Call me by name, call me out over distant waves. Leave me where the lighthouse stands upon the shoreline. Here I
Pakistan, 2019.
Bring me home, bring me through the storm. Though the waves misbehave, they're calming down. Keep my heart, keep my heart, and lead me on. Lead me where the light stands. Upon the shoreline.
It's just not my day. This is what you don't see. The struggle. The struggle has been so hard on me. And I'm pushing myself so much just to complete it. I've had it. I'm so tired.
Silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn it one day, y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. As we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire, hold up. Oh, it's time to fire, hold up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire, hold up. Oh, it's time to fire, hold up. They say the struggle is real. I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck. I put my faith and my trust in my team. Everything that we done been through. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. As we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shine under pressure. Oh, it's time to fire, hold up. Oh, it's time to fire. pressure. It's time to fire on up. It's time to fire on up. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow. Just play the game right, no one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up.
There's a song on the horizon, waiting to be sung. With all of my breath, I will sing it. Here I am, here I stand, here I am. There's life and hope tomorrow. Here I am, here I stand. Another day for hope to come.
I can't even come up with the words, but my experience so far in Pakistan and just being so accepted and loved by the people here is so amazing. These people are so amazing. These are the most beautiful people. Muslim people. How many of you would take a Muslim you don't even know and bring them into your home without judgment and give them everything that you have and more? Maybe if you don't even have anything to give, or to see a Muslim person and to help them out. Anybody, this world needs to wake up, and you can learn so much from these people. And I'm just praying and hoping to God that through my experience, through the things that you see that I'm experiencing, that you change your minds, that you start treating every single person as an equal to yourself, that there's no difference. It doesn't matter what they believe, what they dress like, what culture they're from, what caste they are from. If they're living on the streets, you go and be kind to that person and you love that person.
Hi, Rosie.
And you treat them no differently than your best friend, than your family, than you would want somebody treating yourself. Please, world, I just pray and beg that you see through my experiences the beauty and what it is like to truly connect to humanity. This is life. This is life.
Very happy. Very happy. Very happy.
Some people live their whole lives never really having lived a day in their life, only realizing once it's too late. It took falling to the pit of despair, losing all hope, and crying out for a miracle, to dive headfirst into the great unknown. And little did I know what awaited me was home.
Haven't I suffered enough?
This wasn't just a quest across Pakistan. This was a journey to the depths of my soul, breaking free the life of strain, finding peace, releasing the pain. Through my travels, I have witnessed truth from vast lands, kind hearts. My mind's been soothed. And finally knowing my life's purpose, I could never find it on the surface. But deep within, I had to go to find my God, my hope, my home.
Will come and see.
amazing, very emotional and heart-touching video by Rosie Gabrielle, जिसमें पूरी पाकिस्तान ट्रैवल वीडियोस की कंपाइलेशन उन्होंने शेयर की है इस व्लॉग में। और उन्होंने शुरू में दिखाया था कि किस तरह जो है वो उसकी ज़िंदगी डिप्रेशन में थी, किस तरह वो डिप्रेशन में थी, किस तरह उसकी ज़िंदगी बहुत मुश्किल थी, बहुत दुख में थी, और किस तरह जो है कुछ सालों के बाद पाकिस्तान जाने के बाद जब उन्होंने वो एक्सपीरियंस किया है, लोगों से मिली थी, काइंड पीपल से मिली थी, जो उन्होंने वहाँ पर एक्सपीरियंस किया है, उसकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई और उसको सुकून मिला है। जिस सुकून के लिए वो तरस रही थी, जिस सुकून को वो ढूंढ रही थी, उसको पाकिस्तान में मिला है। एंड आई गेस कि उन्होंने इस्लाम भी कबूल किया है पाकिस्तान में, एंड इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग उन्होंने शायद पाकिस्तानी से भी शादी कर ली, आई गेस इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। तो ये उसके लिए मुक़द्दर था पाकिस्तान जाना और पाकिस्तान में ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करना और इस्लाम कबूल करना। जिस चीज़ के लिए वो तरस रही थी, जिस चीज़ को वो ढूंढ रही थी पूरी ज़िंदगी, वो जिस चीज़ के तलाश में थी, उसको पाकिस्तान में मिला है। तो पाकिस्तान एक बहुत खूबसूरत मुल्क है, नेचर खूबसूरत है, लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, दिल के बहुत अच्छे हैं, जो भी जाता है वहाँ पर जो है उसको एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है और उसकी लाइफ में चेंज आती है। तो रोज़ी गैब्रियल की लाइफ में 180 डिग्रीज़ का चेंज आया है, जबकि वो एक डिप्रेशन की शिकार थी, तो उसकी कैसे लाइफ चेंज हो गई, किस तरह उसको पीस मिला है, सुकून मिला है। और सो दैट वाज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर रोज़ी गैब्रियल एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर हर कि पाकिस्तान जाकर उसकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई और वो लोगों से इतना मुतासिर हो गई कि उसने इस्लाम कबूल किया है, क्योंकि उसी में उसको राहत मिली है, सुकून मिला है, दिल को तसल्ली हो गई है। जिस चीज़ को वो ढूंढ रही थी पूरी ज़िंदगी उसको मिला है। तो आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर हर एंड आई वाज सो ग्लैड टू सी दिस experience of Rosie Gabrielle. Very inspiring, very heart touching, and thank you so much for suggesting me this video, and see you in the next one. Till then, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।